There is one pencil. One pencil. There are two camels. Two camels. There are three grapes. Three grapes. There are four flowers. Four flowers. There are five apples. Five apples. There are six moons. Six moons. There are seven persons. Seven persons. There are eight trees. Eight trees. There are nine candles. Nine candles. There are 10 stars. 10 stars.